What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're checking out the best solar security camera that brings smart protection and clean energy together. If you want strong security without messy wires or high power bills, this could be exactly what you need. Let's take a close look at its features and see what makes it stand out. Let's get started. The camera we're talking about is the Semua S40 Solar Security Camera. This model combines sharp video quality with a smart solar-powered design. Right away, one of the biggest highlights is its 2K Full HD resolution. This means you get clear and detailed video, so you can easily recognize faces, movements, and important details around your home. It records both day and night with impressive clarity. Night vision is another strong feature of the Semua S40 Solar Security Camera. Instead of showing only black and white images, it uses advanced color night vision. Even in low light, you can see vibrant and accurate colors. This makes nighttime monitoring much more useful and realistic. Now let's talk about power. The Semua S40 Solar Security Camera runs on a rechargeable battery that is supported by a solar panel. As long as there is sunlight, the camera keeps charging itself. This reduces the need for manual charging and helps lower energy costs. It is also more eco-friendly, which is always a nice bonus. Installation is simple because the design is completely wire-free. You do not need to deal with long cables or complicated setups. This gives you more freedom to place the camera wherever you need it most. Coverage is another area where the Semua S40 Solar Security Camera really shines. It offers 355-degree horizontal rotation and 100-degree vertical rotation. This wide range allows you to monitor almost every corner of your space without blind spots. You can adjust the view easily to get a near-complete panoramic look. The camera is also built for tough conditions. With its IP65 waterproof rating, it can handle rain and dust without problems. It works in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 121 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it is ready for both cold winters and hot summers. For smarter alerts, the Semua S40 Solar Security Camera includes a sensitive PIR motion sensor. It focuses on detecting human movement, which helps reduce false alarms caused by animals or moving objects. This makes notifications more accurate and less annoying. Another useful feature is the two-way audio. You can speak and listen through the camera in real time. This allows you to communicate directly through your phone, adding a sense of control and presence even when you are away. The camera connects through a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, ensuring smooth video streaming and remote access. It also supports 2 different storage methods for event recordings, so your footage stays safe and easy to access whenever you need it. Impressive, right? The Semua S40 Solar Security Camera brings together high-resolution video, solar charging, wide coverage, and smart detection in one solid package. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your security needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart tech updates. See you next time.